The Limoncello Spritz is zingy, sweet and tastes like a sports drink. It's essentially that weird sober tag-along who ends up going to a music festival with you and your mates and ends up ruining the group dynamics and is sat there in a camp chair at 7 AM whilst you all stagger back from the rave tent. Now, I like limoncello, but I had to take the piss at the start as I knew someone who used to brag about their son drinking this and they were a massive Coldplay fan. This is a spritz, so it's got 3 ingredients: Prosecco, limoncello and soda water. Okay, let's kick this off by adding plenty of ice to our glass. Then add 3 ounces, that's 90ml of Prosecco or any sparkling wine of your choice. Then add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of limoncello, and just be careful not to spill it anywhere because these liqueurs can be a bit of a nightmare. Then lastly, top up with 1 ounce of soda water. In the background you might hear a tad of frustration in my voice. This is all because I couldn't find a bar spoon, and you'd expect an adult like me to have their shit together. Give this a light stir. For the first part of your garnish, add some lemon slices. Garnish with mint, and they couldn't have sent me a more depressed looking piece of mint. I have to buy it in because even though I live in the UK, my garden's like the surface of Venus when the sun's out, so anything soft like mint gets absolutely flamethrowered. Okay, the taste test. If you want something different to an Aperol Spritz, something less floral than a Hugo Spritz, and you like limoncello, give this a go. This is alright, but it's nothing special. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.